Move body and wham, 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 wham. Ooh, this video is all about the kicking accuracy. We're gonna give you a drill that's gonna make you a Muay Thai kicking assassin, a ninja if I may. We're gonna show you the difference between the high kick and the head kick and how to develop that strategy and that technique to land them at will. This video is gonna put you above the competition guaranteed. So make sure you lock in, grab some popcorn, and get ready to get that work. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Tabernacle. Things first. When you're first developing accuracy on the Muay Thai kick, you wanna start off with bag work. Bag work is essential because it not only develops power, but it develops your timing, it develops your distance, and it develops what we're looking for today, which is that accuracy. When we're starting off, we like to use the hand wrap as a target. The good thing about the hand wrap is that you can do multiple hand wraps, all right? You can do the arms, the bodies, the leg. You can do right above the lower rib. You can mix and match. Max and Mitch, it's up to you. Now, let's give them a couple of bada bing, bada booms, and then we're gonna go from there. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. What's the first thing you do is he's gonna touch for his distance, right? Bop, bop, touch for his distance, swing. There we go. If you notice, he isn't kicking upwards, bop. The foot isn't straight. He's opening up his hip, he's touching for his distance, and he's making sure that he's connecting with his shin bone on the target. All right, one more time. Shin bone on that target. Wham, just like that. Let me ask you this, Tito. How many times have you just stood in front of somebody and just kicked?
Not a lot.
Not a lot. So therefore you have to practice stepping right? Stepping left, stepping forward, stepping back. This is how you're gonna improve your accuracy. Bam, very good. So when you're practicing this, keep going. When you're practicing this, you're gonna step right, you're gonna step left, you're gonna touch for your distance, Bob, and then you wham, forth and back, up and down, making sure the feet are good. You're finishing how you start. One more time to develop that accuracy, throw a couple of 1-2s in there, looking at his target, boom. This is how you are gonna develop supreme accuracy in your kicks. So now that we have the basic one-on-one first day, how to gain accuracy in our kicks, we're gonna take the drill just a step further. You are too. So we started off with 1, now we're gonna go 2 and 3. But it's a little bit different this time. Instead of having the middle target at the arm, we put it more at the rib, right? Right here at that lower rib. That's gonna be your second target. We have the leg meat also, and now a little bit higher, head kick, okay? Head kick. When you're kicking, you know, you just don't kick bang here, you bring it up, and then you come down. Bang, he's scared, right there. Boom, right there. Are you ready? All right, same difference, guys, same. Leg, bang, move, body, and then you got the head. So on the head, bop, 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 wham. On the head, Tito, are you going on your toes? Are you standing a little bit flat? How are we getting our accuracy on our head kicks?
I touch, and then I lean forward, and I bring that leg up above me, and I go a little bit off my toes. Like that.
So show us again the difference between the head kick, kicking above the ribs, right? Or you can go in between for the arms, right? Show us the difference. Pop, wham, very good. Good arm kick. Did you aim there?
Yes.
Good. So now you got his arms nice and tired. Now we're gonna go to his head. How we do? Pop, wham, outstanding. This is how, keep going. This is how you develop good accuracy, guys. Bam. You notice he's stepping forward, back, right? You gotta step right. You're stepping left. Bam, and you train like you fight. I'm kicking right above the arm. Wham, kicking the head. If you're training Muay Thai, you're training like this, you're a sniper, you're an assassin, right? And when you fight, your technique and your training is gonna take over. So if you're used to kicking at a certain height, you're used to kicking the arm, it doesn't matter what anyone says, you're gonna be locked into that. Show me the difference, Tito, if you're kicking the arm, just like we practice on the bag, versus if you were aiming for the head. Give me the arms first. Wham! Again, he pop, bam! It's gonna be here, right? Especially if I'm not his friend. If he's not being nice to me and he really says, you know what, I'm gonna kick his arms, and he, wham, he turns. That's why we tell you guys it's so important not to block with your forearm, right? Real Muay Thai, you'll never see a true Nak Muay kick blocking like this. No, that's not gonna count. You're gonna get your arm broke for sure, right? That's a huge point. When you block in Muay Thai, you're gonna block with your shin. Believe it or not, up to you. This is my shin. This is my forearm. To prevent this from happening, they kick here. To prevent that from happening, you're gonna block his shin with your shin, and you're gonna hide your forearm. All right, that's the secret to the naysayers and the people that don't know the difference between a high kick and a head kick. It might look like a head kick if somebody keep bashing here, but what's happening is the force of your shin is pushing it here. And to prevent that, this is what I do. Come on, kick, same. Bang! That's how you stop that. One more time, regular, without blocking. My kick, bang! That's what's going to happen. Versus this, same. Bang! You catch it right there. You're not even making contact with the forearm. So now we got past that little spiel I had to give you guys. Let's go back to our original thought. Kicking the head or kicking the arm. High kick versus head kick. All right, me and you are fighting the arms. Bang! Very good aim. Now, my hands are being held the same. Be nice to me. I'm your friend. Give me the head. Bang! Right there. So basically, you're kicking over the guard?
Yes.
Okay, when you're doing that, what are you aiming at? So what did you just do just now?
When I'm aiming at the arm, I would kick straight. Bang, like more of a straight bat swing. But since your hands are up, I have to go over the guard. So when I do it, I do a...
Ooh.
More like that. It's not really such a whip.
Can we see your accuracy one more again? Give me the head. It's okay. Not that much power, though. Wham! Give me the arms. Wham! Head. Wham! Arm. Wham! Very good, man. Very good accuracy. We're going to move around a little bit, and I want you choose high kick, head kick, body kick, or leg kick, and the accuracy of it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tabernacle. So when you develop this technique on the bag, it's going to be so much easier to land any shot that you want. Come on. All right, here we go. Anything you want. So sometime arm, up and bang. Balance. Sometime head. Yep, bang. Good. Let them know which shot that you're going to aim at and show them how we're doing it.
First one, low kick.
Bang. Just like on the bag.
Second, lower body.
Wham.
Now, arm.
What would make you decide to change where you aim at?
Where they're guarding most.
Where they're guarding the most? Very good. So, meaning, if you were to low kick, but I've been blocking, would you keep kicking there?
No.
You wouldn't. Where would you go next?
I would go to the lower rib.
You kick the lower rib. Bang. Very nice. Now I'm smart. I start defending that, right? He kick, lower rib. Wham, I grab. Boom. Somersault, he could get injured, right? So if you see them attempt that, what would you do next?
Arm kick.
Arm kick. Very smart. Wham! Very good way to turn the hip, just like you learned on the bag work. Again, wham! Very nice. So now their arms are a little bit sore now. So they lower their guard a little bit. Now where you going to aim?
Head kick.
Wham! Ooh, straight over the guard. Very nice. Accuracy. Muay Thai kicking accuracy developed from the bag exercises. Put those lines on those bags. Make sure you're stepping forth and back. Make sure you're getting full extension on your lead hand. That way you don't jam yourself. Make sure you're stepping out, showing the ankle to the bag. That way you're not kicking straight up, right? And always use your eyes. Look at your target. And you can't go wrong with that. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's going to give you our full playlist that we know that you're going to enjoy.